In this lesson, we're moving on to something very practical. We'll learn how to turn requirements into test cases using ChatGPT. This is exactly the stage where a tester transforms a feature description into specific test steps. I'll show you how to feed text-based requirements into ChatGPT and ask it to generate clear, structured test cases from them. We'll also see how to refine your prompts to get different levels of detail, from general scenarios to detailed tests with input data and expected results. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create a complete set of test cases in just a few minutes, without writing them all manually. Let's start with a simple example requirement. Here we have a short document describing the login functionality. It says that the user should be able to log in using a valid email and password, and if the credentials are incorrect, an error message should appear. At first glance, it looks very straightforward, but even from such a short description, ChatGPT can generate a complete set of test cases. Let me show you exactly how to do that step by step. Now I've opened ChatGPT and pasted our requirement along with a clear instruction. I asked it to generate test cases in a table format based on that requirement, with the columns test case ID, test scenario, preconditions, test steps, and expected result. And as you can see, ChatGPT immediately created a nicely structured table with test cases for the login scenario. We have a positive case, logging in with valid credentials, and a negative one, where an error message is shown after entering an incorrect password. This is a perfect example of how you can turn a simple requirement into ready-to-use test cases in just a few seconds. Now I've added another prompt to extend our test coverage. I asked ChatGPT to generate both positive and negative test cases based on the same login requirement. I also included edge cases and security-related scenarios, such as potential SQL injection attempts. Finally, I specified that the output should be formatted as a markdown table, with the columns test case ID, description, type, positive, negative, steps, and expected result. This is a great example of how you can combine different testing areas, functional, validation, edge, and security testing, all within a single well-structured prompt. Next, I added another prompt to make our table even more detailed. I wrote, add preconditions and postconditions for each test case in the table. That means I asked ChatGPT to include what needs to be true before the test starts and what should be true after it's completed. In other words, each test case now gets a full context, from setup to outcome. This is extremely useful in real QA documentation because it helps testers understand dependencies and system states at a glance. And the best part is that we can achieve this level of detail with just one short, simple instruction. Now I've taken it one step further, this time using a user story, which is the most common format for requirements in agile teams. I entered the story. As a registered user, I want to be able to reset my password via email so that I can regain access if I forget it. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate detailed test cases based on this story, covering functional, negative, and boundary scenarios. This demonstrates that ChatGPT can handle not only formal requirements, but also natural language user stories, just like the ones we work with in real projects. It's the same process, just starting from a different type of input. Finally, I added one more prompt to show you something really practical. I asked ChatGPT to translate the generated test cases into German and format them as a bullet point list. This is a great example of how you can instantly prepare documentation in multiple languages. For instance, when working in an international QA team or creating reports and training materials for different audiences. ChatGPT keeps the structure and meaning intact, so there's no need for manual translation or reformatting. And that's it for this lesson. We've gone through the entire process of moving from requirements to ready-to-use test cases with ChatGPT. We started with a simple functional description, then added more depth step by step. negative cases, security testing, preconditions and postconditions. And finally translated everything into another language and reformatted it. This shows how ChatGPT can be much more than just a helper. It can be a real partner in test design, documentation, and even multilingual collaboration.